11 years I've been eating nutrition solutions. Grass-fed, no hormones, organic, it's phenomenal. We're gonna go for a walkthrough and I want you to get an appreciation of what goes into the effort of the food that gets delivered onto your doorstep. This is not a food prep company. This is so much more. Hey, how are you, Lily?
Good to see you. Thank you so much for coming. Yes, welcome to Nutrition Solutions.
The new HQ. Look at the attention to detail here. Let's go see the boss man, is it? Mr. Cavallini. Is he getting a pump on for me? And there's the executive. What's up, brother? Good to see you, my man.
Good to see you.
I've only just seen a little bit of it.
Yeah, you haven't seen anything yet. Not a whole lot to see here other than a official Fight Club movie poster, which is my favorite movie, but signed by both of the goats.
Wow. Are these real dollar bills? I'll grab one of these.
Well, because I am so rich, I just felt that it's not real, of course, but we have a very unique environment here. And I wanted to set the environment up with very specific intention. And part of that was to help the team to see money as a byproduct of value and just kind of normalize abundance. So this is one of many little subconscious trigger points that I'll point out.
This is a great conscious and subconscious way of thinking.
I was doing things like this on my way up. It's very important that my team elevate. As a leader, it's my responsibility to facilitate that. Just setting up the environment that you're about to see today with intention. So check this out. This is the content room. This is a creative environment that was strategically designed to just do like a little 360.
Love the contrast and the accent walls here.
We're just getting started, man. Audemars Piguet, Royal Oak clock. And I want people to walk in here and immediately just be hit with it. Like, whoa, did I just walk into a different world? You know, we're not in the business of selling food. We're in the business of changing lives. We need to be at a high frequency, high energy, creative, problem solving, forward thinking, great attitude.
And I noticed that around here, strategically, you've got a lot of like self-help, self-evolution books.
Yeah, man.
I'm assuming the entire crew are a part of this evolution as well in education.
Yeah, so this particular book here, Kim Scott's Radical Candor, it discussed the importance of being direct in communication. Brutally honest, direct feedback, delivering a message with intention and not walking around on eggshells. You gotta say what needs to be said the way it needs to be said.
More people need to be black and white instead of just telling people what they want to hear.
So down here is a few different offices. This is the operations manager. This is his office. I gave them creative control over their space. I'm not gonna prove anything in advance, but don't think for a second I will not tear the entire thing apart if it doesn't meet the standard. But it's all clean, all organized, because being organized, as you know, brother, is being in control. Well, let's go check out the client success office.
Okay.
So what our client success team is, it's a hybrid of customer service and lifestyle coaches. People come to us from all different walks of life, all different shapes and sizes. When you started with us, you were already very competent and proficient in the realm of nutrition. Well, I mean, look, there's really nobody like Kris. But then we have people who are, you know, as a friend of ours likes to say, human dumpster fires, who have absolutely no idea, are making a lifestyle change. It can be overwhelming, can be very scary. They're all certified by the National Academy of Sports Medicine as lifestyle coaches, which is a triple hybrid certification of weight loss specialist, behavioral change specialist, and certified nutrition coach. So we invest for them to get the certifications, and then they're able to actually kind of advise and support and help our clients basically get the best results in the shortest amount of time.
That's awesome.
Team?
Yes, sir.
Howdy.
What's happening? You guys all know Kris?
Howdy. How are you guys? You all right? Good to see you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Solutions legend, brother.
I appreciate it. How you doing?
Hey, Sarah.
Hey there.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Kris.
Congratulations. You look awesome. I'm so proud of you. You look great.
thank
Hey, Manuela. How are you? You look sharp. Nice come up, ladies.
What are the more common concerns and questions have?
A lot of times, if they haven't started yet, they're curious about meal timing, protein quantity, just overall. They're not sure how much to eat.
So they'll tell you their goals, what they want to achieve, or you help them achieve, come up with those goals with a structure.
Right, depending. Some of them come with a weight goal already. Others are just lost, wanting to get shredded. So it's,
I just want to look better naked at the end of the day.
you know.
It's a big jump from what they're doing to a new way of operating. They need a little extra love. So they'll have a consultation with one of our, like I said, lifestyle coaches, and we'll get an idea of what it is they're trying to do, what they're doing now, and basically just kind of help them understand what this is and what this is not. It's not just meal prep. It's a system designed for fitness transformation. It's a system that, if followed, guarantees results. We provide a very short bullet pointed list called the cheat codes for fitness transformation. We just make it very simple for them. We don't want our clients to have to think. Just the meals show up at your door, and then stay consistent, of course, which is the most important part. We all know what happens next.
The transformations.
That's actually not our transformations. That's our trophy case.
I love that.
Yeah, me too.
Wow, she looks great.
42 days, buddy. All shapes and sizes, all walks of life, different goals, different body types, same outcome.
Love it.
This is just to remind everybody the importance of what we're really doing here.
Yeah.
I had a client, a guy who reached out, and he legitimately told me that the order he got for his birthday, all the personal touches, all the messaging, all the love, all the gratitude, it was actually the factor that prevented him from committing suicide.
No way. He was considering that on his birthday?
No, not considering it.
He was following through. Wow.
And that made me realize that, like, we have a role to play beyond what might be obvious. Didn't have anybody. Birthdays can be a very exciting time, but it can also be a very lonely time for some. He had gone through a lot that year. We spare the gory details, but then that made me realize, like, really make sure our clients know that we truly give a shit.
I know what you're saying now when you're saying this is not a food prep company.
No.
This is so much more.
So we're going to bring our clients as much value as possible. We're going to help them do that. We're going to transform not just their body, but their entire existence. It just so happens like we're very lucky and fortunate to be in a position where we get paid to do that,
Yeah.
which is pretty cool.
Yeah.
If you ask me anyway.
No, I think that's phenomenal. You know, you're giving something that people just can't really buy. You know, you're giving so much more. You're giving the support, the accountability, the opportunity to be part of something.
Over here, this is what is known as the swag room. This is where we'll be doing our menu tasting later. You'll be sitting as my special guest. I expect you to be direct, fair, and just brutally honest. We're not in here to tell everybody, good job, good job. We're actually in here for one reason and one reason only, which is to figure out what we could do better. We've got all kinds of supplements over there, and we're not a supplement company, as you know. I would never attempt to go head to head with you, man.
No, but you provide supplements to the staff here as well, yeah?
Not only that, we provide them the supplements, we pay them for workouts. We also provide them the same meals that our clients invest in. Because I believe in our product, and I understand that I'm gonna have more energized, focused, capable team member who's gonna be able to execute at a higher level, kick ass, and help us get our clients results. So, I mean, I can't believe you didn't acknowledge this statue here. Look at this thing.
No, I love this.
So these are all quotes that like I came up with. This was a gift from a client who we helped get great results. He's a very talented artist, and he literally pulled up one day and gifted this to us. This is probably my all-time best short quote. Life is short, don't be a pussy. Pretty straightforward. Great advice. Yeah, we got merch there, and we don't sell merch. That merch is not something that is available for purchase. It's earned. Our team wears it. If our clients are with us long enough, they get results, and we reward them with this, and we let them know, like, these aren't available. This is earned, and you have earned it. Over 10 years, we have people that have been with us, and you talk about the definition of consistency, and we respect consistency around here, because consistency is how you get it done.
Yeah, I think once you've experienced it, it'd be so hard to step away from Nutrition Solutions now. I've experienced it when I've gone overseas, and it's tough. And when you're without it, it's like, kind of can't wait to go back to it. So it'd be difficult to give it up.
Well, I train the team. I tell them, listen, if we have people that have never tried us and they come to us and they've had bad experiences with meal prep companies, we tell them, oh, great. So it's only gets better from here. But if they've never tried meal prep companies before and they say something like, well, you guys are a lot more expensive or even a little more, whatever, it's like, yes, this is true, because we prioritize quality. We prioritize results. Like, we're not going to cut corners to increase margins. Like, our margins suck, admittedly. We do overnight shipping, only company that does that. But if we weren't doing that, we wouldn't be providing the highest quality, highest standard of food safety and quality, and it just wouldn't be congruent with what our brand stands for. So we tell people, like, we're not the cheapest, but we are the best.
Very confident in your product.
This to me means a lot. This is our wall of fame. Everyone that you see here either is or at one time was a client of Nutrition Solutions. I'm very proud of this. You know, these guys are all making a ton of money. They don't have time to cook, or it's not a good investment in time or energy. So we've had the opportunity to work with some pretty amazing people.
But it's great. You've introduced me to so many of these guys.
Wow.
Like Ray, obviously Bautista.
Well, and everybody that I'm actually have good relationships with, personal relationship, which is a lot of them, all of them use your products. Because they ask me, hey, what do I do with that? I'm like, this is what I do. So, but in all seriousness, man, like, out of everybody here and out of every influencer that has ever used our company, there has not been a single individual who has been responsible for more referrals than this guy right here,
That's awesome.
which is this guy right
That's
here.
cool. I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Well, look, I believe in it. I believe in it. Of course, I'm going to try to convince people to go onto the meal plan because I see the struggle that they deal with. If they really want to invest in themselves, they invest in the best quality products.
You can't out-train a bad diet, but I would argue you can kind of out-diet bad training to a certain degree. Ideally, you want to be optimal with both.
Yeah.
I mean, this has been going on for years. You've never accepted $1 in compensation.
I never would, mate.
So I've had to get creative over the years, though, to take care of you in other ways.
You have. You've surprised me more than a couple of times.
I think that's important to point out because that's just a testament of your character, man.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
Fire and Ice Sanctuary behind us.
We've got some contrast therapy happening.
Yeah. Listen, we're living the life. I want to provide all the tools and toys and resources for our team to be the healthiest, fittest, most optimized version of themselves.
Well, hidden in here amongst the camouflage, we got a sauna.
A branded sauna.
A branded sauna.
We'll keep it moving. This is the war room. It's our conference room, but it's called the war room. This is where we do team meetings. This room was intentionally designed for that purpose. You have been so gracious enough to agree to speak to the team later on. And this is where it's all going to go down, man.
What I love and what I've noticed throughout this place is that the lighting is not harsh. It's cool in here.
All of that was intentional. I learned a lot about lighting, sense, colors, how it influences the senses, how it heightens the senses and brings you more into it. I wanted to have this environment be something that inspired just creativity and passion and purpose and just uplifting people when they walk in and not really have them understand why. It's the environment. It's all of the little precision details that synergistically produce that outcome.
Yeah.
All right, man, you ready for this?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
This is Lou. He is the assembly manager, OG, been at the company a while, stud. Basically what is happening here is he's plating meals, weighing, every meal is getting weighed.
So the presentation is what really impresses me as well. That he won't even break a meatball in half or a quarter. It wants to look, obviously the presentation is very important, so you have a whole meatball, just a smaller one. So close.
All right, last one. This is it right here.
It's like a carnival game.
That's too small. That's too big. A little too big. I can't take a little bit off this.
No, sir.
Show them how it's done, man. We gotta move on.
This is meticulous.
Listen, you ain't cut out for this type of work, brother.
Maybe we swap out one of the other ones.
I like that. I like the way you think, sir.
This is meticulous.
There we go.
Ah, perfect. We got it. We got it.
Just keep a look on the scale until you see 15.
Yay.
Sir.
That's it.
Now to top it off, we'll do a little garnish with the parsley. Just be very careful because it could spill out. Yes, sir.
Is that it?
That's perfect.
Perfect.
My man.
Boom, there it is. Wow, a lot goes into this. Okay, I'm really, really happy to see this because, of course, a lot of people out there, clients are counting every little molecule, every calorie, a macro. That's perfection right there. I like it. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate it.
All right, cool. So let's go check out the culinary area. They're in there getting after it, so we're gonna do our best to stay out of their way and not be too much of a distraction.
I'm following you, buddy.
So, our boy.
Hogan.
Yeah. Respect. Rest in peace.
Yeah.
Hulkamania.
OG.
This is the bottom line is this is what everybody wants to see. They've skipped to this part of the video. These are our infamous Clean Sheets protein donuts. These are made with grass-fed whey protein, organic ingredients. The frosting is actually an organic coconut oil base.
I love the homers.
This is something that was a byproduct of my insatiable sweet tooth. I needed to find a healthy alternative. It took us a long time to get to this point, but they're actually making some freshies over here. You ever see the movie Casino?
Yeah.
Every donut has the same amount of blueberries. They count them by hand.
I want you to put an equal amount of blueberries in each muffin. An equal amount of blueberries in each muffin.
No, I'm just kidding.
You had me there, bro. So now I dip it in this side.
Pull it up.
Okay. Is that enough? A bit more?
More. Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I got it.
That's
I
okay.
got it. Yeah, did it.
Good.
Whew, God, that was stressful. Now I get to eat them, maybe? Thank you.
Thank you.
You know, things don't work out. You know, I could do well here.
Let's go through here. Walk-in coolers, freezers.
Okay.
Boom. Whoa. You just entered a new world, man.
Yeah, no shit.
I was big time, number 9. Diamonds in my teeth, I got a lot of shine. Running up.
I've seen on video does not do this justice.
So this is the Nutrition Solutions gym. All of this artwork here came from this thing here. It works well sometimes.
That's great.
Yeah, man. So I know you're gonna be training in here a little later on.
Wow, you got some great equipment in
Please
here.
don't
as
not
well.
take it easy on them, man.
I will not. And you've
They
got
can handle
like,
it.
the little attention to detail. You got the vinyl customized as well. The dumbbells customized over
man.
here.
All facing the same direction, or at least they better be.
Yeah, they are.
You know, when you work here, the gym is open in the morning. Sometimes we'll do workouts in the evening with me. I only have it open for everyday use in the morning. If they're gonna train, I want them training in the morning. Training in the morning is a really good habit and quality to have, especially on the come up. Every morning, this place is full of guys and girls getting after it.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So they come in here early,
Super
start
early,
here,
bro.
you
30 in
ice
the
bath.
morning. 5:30 in the morning. Yeah,
That's
the first.
perfect. You got a free gym membership.
That's it. And not just any gym, man. Look around. This place is
it's
amazing.
badass.
We're gonna walk out to the main walk-in cooler. That's where the meals, once they're plated, once they're vac sealed and are ready to be individually packaged to send to our clients. Obviously, we have different clients who have different goals. Some are on shred portions, some are beast portions. Some are getting 28 meals a week, some are getting 12. Our logistics team is responsible for ensuring all orders are not only accurate, but are packed with precise amount of coolant, space. Everything matters, because in some cases it's going from Tampa, Florida to Alaska or Hawaii in less than 24 hours. So we want to ensure that everything is packed to precision with the right amount of coolant, with the right amount of insulation. We're going to go in there. We're not going to mess with them too much, because this is the thick of it right now. They go to war every day, man. We're not packaging this stuff and flash freezing it so it's ready. We literally pack the orders and ship them the same day.
Yeah,
So
because I'm always blown away, because here I am, this is on the East Coast,
Yep.
and I'm towards the West Coast.
Yeah.
Shows up the next day, ice packs are still frozen, it's great.
Yeah.
Overnight.
all right, what do you think?
Amazing.
Yeah.
Like from A to B, how much effort. Everything is sectionalized, everything's disciplined, everything's kind of militant, which is great.
Yeah.
You know, it's before the first time it was very organized, but there's a little bit of organized
I'm sorry
chaos,
to
but-
interrupt you. He's lying. It was chaos. But I appreciate.
Okay.
Listen,
But now I've just seen the evolution. It is organized.
that's what we do. It's all about preparation. And the quote right there, every battle is won before it is fought.
So it's not, you're not reacting, you're proactive.
Being prepared. If you stay ready, there's no need to ever have to get ready. When we train, we do the workouts. It isn't a game of kickball. It isn't fun. After, it's fun. During, it is not fun. This is not funning out, it is working out. It's training. Ice baths, hard, intense training. Hard, intense training, 98-degree Florida humidity in the summer, like just the most uncomfortable conditions possible. Like, we're training to be able to not only respond, but thrive when the pressure is turned up and when conditions are suboptimal. That's where character is exposed. That's how you determine how someone really is, not who they say they are, right?
Yeah.
Pressure, stress, which is why one of our core values is celebrate adversity. You know, looking back on it, a lot of the adversity that we went through was the result of poor leadership. My failure to identify certain things, my failure to respond the right way, poor decisions I made that I thought were great decisions at the time, all of it served a purpose, and all of us brought us to this point. I wouldn't change a fucking thing.
That's badass, mate. That's really cool.
I need all the wins, yeah. Ain't no L's, I gotta get a no call and quits, yeah. Gotta keep on moving no matter how hard it gets, yeah.
And you're gonna go home and warm up the nutrition solutions for me, because I usually eat them cold, so I'm getting I'm getting pampered here. Thank you, brother.
Hey, I love you, bro.
Appreciate
Thank
it.
you for this.
Thank you.
Better move, you might get knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out.